Students, good morning. Now we do the worksheet of workbook in social science of class 7th, chapter number 1 in geography, that is environment. Now students, there is a summary. Before we start with the book exercise, we will mainly concern with the summary of this chapter. Now there will be the exercise. Now question 1, answer the following questions in brief. The first question is, write any two ways in which the human being modify their environment. So there are the 2 points. First point is that we is mainly concerned by the human being. That is, we modify the environment. Modify means change the environment which is around us by building farms to grow food. Now the second point is terraforming. Terraforming, that is the land which is not in a plain form, that is to be plain land to allow construction. Construction means new buildings are constructed to change the surrounding. Now the second question, give various landforms found on lithosphere. Lithosphere is a kind of atmosphere which is present on earth. Are those landforms found in the hydrosphere too? Now the answer is lithosphere comprises of rocks and minerals. That is, rocks, we see the mountains around us and some pebbles of stones in the soil. That is rocks and minerals. Minerals are they are having the fixed composition, fixed chemical composition. It has various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys. Valleys are the plain area between the mountains. Yes, these landforms do not found in the these landforms found in hydrosphere also. Right? Now the third question is, the atmosphere, from what does the atmosphere protect us? So as we know that the atmosphere protects living things from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. These rays come from the sun, and the outermost layer, that is ionosphere of the atmosphere, absorbs these ultraviolet rays. Name any 4 large ecosystem. The first one is forest, second one is grassland, third one is desert, and fourth is fresh water and marine. Now give one word of the following. Layers of air enveloping the earth. So one word for this is atmosphere. Interaction among various elements of the environment. The combined form, one word is ecosystem. Zone where life is possible. So life is possible only in that zone. That name, one word is biosphere. Realm of water on the earth. So the water our earth contains, that lies in the hydrosphere. Now the system of trade in which goods are exchanged. So this is a very old system and it is known as barter system. Now there is the filling the blanks. Biotic environment consists of plants and animals. Biotic means living. So living things, that is consist of plants and animals. Now the second one is lithosphere is covered with a thin layer of soil. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and the human environment. Now fourth, biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with one another to support life. Now the fifth one, plants and animals are dependent on each other because they both get their foods preparation by one another. Now the fourth one, write whether the following statements are true or false. Landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. are found in hydrosphere too. That is right. Atmosphere is a rich source of mineral wealth. Wrong. Because in atmosphere the minerals are not found. It is air that is present in the atmosphere. Abiotic and biotic environments are not interdependent because they are dependent. So it is wrong. Adaptation is necessary for survival of human beings. It is right. A park is a type of ecosystem. Right. Now match the following. Match the following. Now, first part B, second D, third A, fourth C. Now, take the correct option. Which of these not a component of human environment? Air. Which of these not covered under the domain of lithosphere? In the lithosphere, soil is there, mineral is there, forest is there, but oxygen cannot be considered in the lithosphere. It is considered in the atmosphere. Which of these not a natural ecosystem? So dam, as it is constructed by the human beings, therefore it is not a natural ecosystem. What kind of activity is barter system? It is economic activity. Now this is a crossword puzzle. The horizontal rows are called across and this vertical rows are called down. Part of the environment involving living beings, that is biotic. System formed by the interaction among various living and non-living components of environment, that is ecosystem. Sixth, a trading system in which goods are exchanged. Sixth, barter system. Now the down, vertical columns. Thin layer of lithosphere suitable for growing crops. It is soil. Part of the natural environment where mineral wealth is found. It is lithosphere. Component of environment most responsible for modifying it. Human being. Thanks.